Hello, Classroom 3. I hope you guys have a great Memorial weekend. I hope you stay safe and enjoy your family. Today we are doing May 26th. So for ELA, social and emotional, you are going to do the letter hunt, which you look for letters where you live, point them out to your child, pay special attention to the first letter of your child's name as well as those of close family and friends. So where you live, if you see any letters, you point them out and you say the letter, and especially if the letter is starting with the first letter of their name. Or you could go on the our YouTube page, and look at the math activity, the name that Miss Tiana posted last week. And instead of counting, you could have the child and point to a letter of each of the children's name in our class. So you could do that and substitute going around your going around looking for letters for where you live. You could do the YouTube channel and just look at the letters of each child name. You could do the first letter. You want to encourage your child to do more. You could look at other letters in the names other than the first letter of each child's name. So that's what you could do for ELA and social and emotional. For math, it's the scavenger ball. This math activity is also on our YouTube page, our class YouTube page. Miss Tiana named it scavenger ball. You could have them again look at that activity, and they want you to encourage the child to sort the objects by size. I think Miss Tiana did do an activity up there where she sort by size. So you could just have them look at that and participate on our YouTube channel. Now for social studies and science, we're doing cultural music. What you do here, you just share your family's culture music with your child. Does this music include any special instruments from your heritage, religions, practice, or community? Invite your child to listen to these instruments or sound. So that's all you do. Whatever culture music that you guys listen to, you just have them listen to the music, talk about the instruments that's played, and that should be fun for them to do. Now, physical, we're doing again, this is the way the lady rides, but instead of saying this is the way the lady rides, we can encourage using other movements such as gallop and running. So whatever movement you choose to use, you could have this do with this is the way the lady ride on the broomstick. Okay, and that's it for today. And here go the directions in Spanish for May 26th. And I will email also instructions on what to do and what videos to look at on our YouTube page. But that's it for today.